Yes. Let's do this. Alright, so the last piece of the puzzle for this Ducati is the replacement of this switch, because you can see the the indicator switch is busted and all the wiring was that messed up in there. Apparently it was messing with all the other electrics on the bike. So I'm going to swap it out and then hopefully we'll be able to start the bike. So I ordered an original Ducati switch block from Desmo HQ up at Byron Bay, and they shipped it down, and it looks like it's been in Australia since 2015, and it was the last one I could find. Sadly, there was no right-hand side switch block available, so I'll have to keep an eye out for that. And I'd like everything to look a similar shade of black. The plastic fades over time, so I've got a new left-hand switch block. Definitely want to get a new right-hand one. Alright, haven't really said too much because just making sure I put this together carefully and correctly. Where the friggin' hell did that go? Alright, nice. We'll go for a quick tuning run. Yep. Okay, so that was a bit of fun. Got to actually ride the bike and just make sure brakes work, no problem with the engine. And I thought, great, that's all we need to do. But now we're at the 80 to 85% mark, and it's all these little things we've got to do, and that's what we're going to talk about next. Unfortunately, swapping over the left-hand switch block did not fix the issue. Bring it on. Turn the indicators on. The indicators still aren't working. But more importantly, when they do go to work, there's something not right there something's affecting it still, and that's what I'll be covering off in the next video. So thanks very much for watching. If you found the video interesting, please like, share it. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next vid.